Ecology is the study of organisms and how they interact with the environment around them, particularly in the biosphere. And for anyone who is not familiar on what a biosphere is, the biosphere is the part of the earth that can support life.
One is biotic. What is biotic? Biotic means pertaining to life. A factor is something that influences another thing. So a biotic factor, put simply, is a living thing that affects other things. A biotic factor is called a biotic component.
And we have three major components of biotics factor. First, we have producer. Producer is someone who works on all aspects of a film or TV project, like the Avenger, my first example. Two, consumer. A person who purchases goods and services for personal use. And three, we have the composer. The composer is a organism, often a bacteria, fungus, or invertebrate that feeds on and break down dead plant or animal matter.
One common misconception is that viruses are mistaken as living things. Viruses, although generally not classified as living things, they do share an important characteristics with all living things that they cannot change the characteristics easily. Viruses cannot evolve on demand. If they excel, then they will be able to multiply and do the damage they will do. Tuloy na, sige, sige.
So kayo groupmates, ano sa tingin nyo? Living things ba ang virus? Ikaw, Jin Pronso.
Sa tingin ko hindi, dahil sinagot na ito ni Sir.
Oh. Ikaw, Lyndon. Johnson.
Hindi rin kasi yun nga, gaya nga nandun sa sinabi ko, parang kailangan lang nung viruses ang living things para mabuhay sila.
Oh, nice. Oh, may punto yun. Ha? Pero naninirahan sila sa living things. Ano?
Tama.
Viruses are not living things, but they are living in a living things. Tama ba? O magulo?
Malinaw yun. Pwede na yun.
Okay, next. Level of organization and ecology. So what do you mean by level? Level is yan na yung parte na kung saan pinagbiyak-biyak ang isang tema ng ipapaliwanag.
Individual, a single human being as distinct from group, class, or family.
A population is a subset of individuals of one species that occupies a particular geographic area and in sexually reproducing species.
Community. The people with a common interest living in a particular area, broadly. The area itself, the problem in a large community. A group of people with a common characteristics or interests living together within a larger society or community of retired person, a monastic community.
Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animal, and other organisms as well as weather and landscape work together to form a bubble of life.
Biomes are the largest of the 5 levels of organization in the biosphere. Scientists classify biomes into five main types: aquatic, desert, forest, grasslands, and tundra.
Biosphere is a narrow zone of the Earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life. Thus, plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere, or the living world.
Six major Earth biomes. We have forest, grassland, freshwater, marine, desert, and tundra.
So first, aquatic, Lyndon.
The aquatic biome is divided into freshwater and marine regions. Freshwater regions, such as lakes and rivers, have a low salt concentration, while marine regions, such as the ocean, have higher salt concentration.
Tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are mainly located between the latitudes of 23.5 degrees north. The tropical rainforest is a forest occurring in the tropical areas of heavy rainfalls. So sabi dito, matatagpuan ang tropical rainforest sa latitude of 23.5 degree north na madalas umulan kaya tinawag siyang tropical rainforest. Next one.
Forest temperature, deciduous forest. The temperature deciduous forest is a biome that is always changing.
One, two, three, go. Coniferous or boreal forest or taiga is generally referred to in North America as the boreal forest or snow forest. It is a biome characterized by coniferous forests consisting mostly of pine, spruces, and larches. The taiga or boreal forest has been called the world's largest land biome.
Here is tundra. What is tundra first? The word tundra derives from the Finnish word tunturia, meaning barren or treeless. Instead of tundra has a patchy, low to ground vegetation consisting of small shrubs, grasses, mosses, sedges, and leashes, all of which are better adapted to withstand tundra condition. So sinasabi dito, ang tundra daw ay hindi mapuno at nagko-contain lang ito ng maliliit na damo and small shrubs, mosses, sedges, and leeches. So wala kayong makikita ditong matataas na puno.
And we have desert. Desert biome covers about 1/5 of Earth's surfaces. This biome has layer of soil that can either be sandy, gravelly, or stony, depending on the type of desert.
Temperate grasslands are composed of a rich mix of grasses and forbs and underlain by some of the world's most fertile soil. Since the development of the steel plow, most have been converted to agricultural.
So the next one is tropical grassland. What is tropical grassland? Tropical grassland is often referred as a savanna, which define vegetation from donates continuous graminoid stratum, more or less interrupted by trees or shrubs. So what the other explanation is, occur on either side of the equator extend till the tropics, with the vegetation grows in the areas of moderate low amount of rainfalls. The grassland can grow very tall about 3 to 4 meters high. But this is tropical grassland, so this one is has a rainfall but not heavy.
Chaparral is a shrubland plant community found in primarily in the U.S. state of California, in southern Oregon, and in the northern portion of Baja.
So that's it.
Tamis.
Tamis
Pare.
Mm.
Pwede mo